Hey guys, Alex here again. We got a little issue with the stereo here, so I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do about it. But basically the problem is that when I press play, there's no turning on the what you call it there. Or that one. So we're gonna go in there and find out what's going on. I don't even think the rollers are turning. Oh no, those are. Yep, those are turning. Well, you guys can't see, but there's a stop. But huh. That's really odd. Well, I'm not going to force it, but I'm going to open it up and see what the hell's going on there. Maybe you guys can tell me what's up. Alright guys, that was kind of frustrating. I sat around for half an hour trying to get the damn cover off, and then I realized all I had to do was just... I don't know how to explain it, but I finally got it off. So I've watched quite a few YouTube videos. Some other guys had problems, similar problems, but let's plug it back in here. Just give me a second. Alright guys, so I just unplugged the speakers here on the plugs there. Unplugged it. I can't really get a good view, so I think I might just pull the tape deck right off and stuff. But there's not really many good videos here on YouTube with the cover actually off, so I'm going to give you guys a good view of everything. And this panel here, if you want to take a look at that. Now, when actually opening this stereo, it is, oh man, it's tricky. You've got your clips up here. By the way, don't put a screwdriver in there. You don't want to do that. It actually comes off quite easily. But the tricky part is trying to fit the tape deck through the thing here. So, but before trying to actually pull the cover off, you want to pull that glass piece right off, or that plastic clear piece right off the front of the tape deck. You want to make sure that comes off. It just unscrews. And yeah. Alright guys, so I flipped the tape deck over. It's just on its front there. And that's the view of the tape deck there. But I'm going to stop recording so I can take a look at it for myself. Alright guys, so I cannot find out what is going on at all here. Let's press the play button. But okay. Let's use my left hand for recording now. So that little guy in there is spinning. Those two right there, they're spinning. Keeps disengaging. And then when I hit pause, it'll keep going, so I get my flashlight. So the belts are all in nice shape, everything's good. Not sure if any of this here is correct to you. That guy right there ain't spinning. Shit, sorry. I don't think that guy's supposed to spin at all. I really don't know much about tape decks, but you as a viewer probably do. That little guy right under the wheel there is spinning. But I really don't know why it's not turning the tape, and then when I undo the pause, it'll usually just stop. So like fast forward sort of works. No, fast forward don't work right. And that's rewind. Rewind. Oh, that doesn't sound too good. Okay, that doesn't sound very good, so if you could tell me what the hell's going on in here, that'd be awesome. Alright guys, well thanks for watching.